In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update ERPNext through Frappe Cloud. Keeping your ERPNext system up to date is crucial for security and efficiency, ensuring that you have the latest features and fixes available. Follow along as we walk through the simple process of updating your ERPNext installation. First, we need to navigate to frappecloud.com. This is your go-to platform for managing your ERPNext instances smoothly and efficiently. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a list of all your sites. From this list, click on the site name you wish to update. This will take you to the site's dashboard, where you can view all the relevant details and controls for managing your instance. Next, you'll want to direct your attention to the upper right corner of the dashboard. There, you'll spot the Actions button. Clicking on this button presents you with a range of options related to managing your site. For our purpose today, you will want to choose between Update Apps or Upgrade. Selecting one of these options will kick off the update process. Now, let's discuss what happens behind the scenes on Frappe Cloud once you've initiated the update. The platform will automatically pull the latest patch updates for your ERPNext installation. This is a crucial step that ensures you're always running the most recent and secure version of the software. Once the patches are pulled, Frappe Cloud will apply them to your site seamlessly. Normally, this process is quite quick, but it can vary slightly depending on the size and complexity of your particular ERP instance. After the updates have been applied, Frappe Cloud will automatically restart your site. This reboot is essential to ensure that all the changes take effect and that your system runs on the updated version without any hitches. The beauty of this entire process is that it's automated, allowing you to focus on what's important: running your business efficiently. One of the significant benefits of using Frappe Cloud is its automatic backup feature. You can have peace of mind knowing that, even if something unexpected happens during the update process, your data is backed up automatically. This safety net means you won't lose crucial information and can return to a previous state if needed. And there you have it. Keeping your ERPNext updated is as simple as clicking a few buttons on Frappe Cloud. It's an effortless way to remain secure and up-to-date, ensuring your operations run smoothly. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips on managing your ERPNext effectively.